Hello guys, welcome to Geospatial Pro. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. In this video, you are going to learn how to create your roughness map of your study area in QGIS. So the first thing you have to do is to understand what your roughness map is all about. Your roughness map is also known as your ruggedness map, which a roughness map shows the irregularity or the ruggedness of your terrain. It measures how elevation varies from one neighborhood to another, whereby you have your, in terms of the smooth terrain shows low roughness and rugged terrain shows high roughness. So these have influence in terms of your study for you to understand the influence in terms of maybe agricultural, maybe in terms of development, or maybe in terms of groundwater, or which is hydrology. So the next thing you have to do is to go to your QGIS. So once you go to your QGIS, we have our digital elevation model. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video. Then you can also watch others of our video on how to create or how to download others part of your terrain analysis, where we have your elevation map, you have your aspect map, you have your slope map, you have your hill shade map. But in this case, we are going to learn how to create your roughness map. So make sure you download and learn or watch our video on how to download your digital elevation model. Watch our video on how to clip your raster image within your shapefile. So, and make sure your digital elevation model is correctly projected. So once you have your digital elevation model, you can now go to Raster and go to analysis, and you can click on your roughness. If you can see, click on select roughness, and once you select, make sure you have your appropriate digital elevation model they are trying to model. Then make sure the band is band 1, and the next thing you have to do is to save this as roughness map. So once you have this, you can simply click on save, and you can simply run this and click close. So this is my roughness map. Then the next thing you have to do now is to right click on the map and go to properties and go to symbology and select this as the single band pseudo color. Then make sure you have band 1. Then you can select this as discrete. Then we can have this in terms of equal interval. You can reduce. If you can see here, we have four decimal places. You can reduce it to 2 decimal places, and you can select your appropriate color ramps that you want. You can select either this. I think I can go with this. Then maybe you can also invert the color where we have the darker mode indicating the highest rough. So we can have this in 5 classes. That is, you are going to have 5 legend bar, and you can click on apply and click on OK. So as you can see, this is my roughness map. You can see, you can zoom in to see, okay, this is where we have your roughness map, which is of the highest order. The black one is showing the highest, and we can zoom out to show the area. As you can see, there is not much roughness within my study area, or we have them in between mixed up. So this is how you create your roughness map. Then the next thing you can do is to furthermore and design your map, your roughness map. You can check our video on how to design your study area map, and from there you can be able to design your map. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.